Ciao guys! Hi! What's up? I hope you're all doing well. Uh, Here I am after I think a month or something with a new thing that I created. Um, every time when I get her, she starts purring, but she wants to run away. But she purrs. I don't think she understands how she should act when she's angry. Yeah, so what I wanted to say, self-isolation or quarantine, should I say, week 3, I think. Plus, here in Serbia, we have the police hour, so after 5 p.m., nobody's allowed to go outside. But to be honest, for me, pretty much things aren't that changed because, like, I'm lucky I can work from home. But then again, before all this happened, I still spent lots of time inside playing video games, crafting stuff. So for me, this wasn't really that hard. Though now, because it's more uh, sunny outside. I should start going out riding my bicycle and for just walking. Because at this point, I think I haven't been outside for at least a week at all. Not even to go to the shop or something. Yeah, so yeah, I wanted to make this vase um, for my fake plants of fake flowers, because these flowers were sitting in the kitchen, like in the little corner, forgotten, and when I was cleaning I saw them and then figured, hey, why don't I make something and keep them here in my living room, because inside I usually keep fake flowers because of this crazy thing that wants to eat stuff. She likes to eat plants like many cats. Now I'm gonna go and edit the video, and over there is my hobbit home for cats. They still use it, which is cool. And then the next project, I think I should probably start painting something, but I promised to make another cat house for my friend and her cat, so that's probably going to be the next thing I'm going to do. I kind of really like making these houses from the clay and cardboard. It's kind of fun. So yeah. Okay, so stay healthy. I hope this thing passes fast. Do stuff you like. Go outside. Sun is really important, but yeah, keep aside from the others. I can do this. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Okay, so let me explain what I did here. So as you can see, this is where I just glued some cardboard, and I also glued a bit of alu folia on the top. I didn't film it because, yeah, well, nothing special to see. Also, I will whisper in some parts of the video because I'm editing this really late at night, so you know. Now I will just create round stones out of clay that dries on the air. You don't need to bake this, obviously, because this is cardboard, so it wouldn't be wise to put this in the oven. So yeah, this is my clay. That's something for kids that can use, and it's really cool quality. And so this is it. The walls are finished. I have also created a door and a staircase. I didn't film the process because I was just kind of lost in while working this, so I forgot to film when I was making the door, so sorry. And now it's just a basic painting job. I used black and green just to create the base for the rest of the colors. And as you can see here, this is a painted version. This is going to be my base for the rest of the colors. For the stones, of course, it's going to go gray, and for the doors I picked reddish orangey color, which you will see in a bit. And now just painting the doors and wooden parts of the home, the stairs. And here I'm just using, obviously I'm using acrylic colors. And so here I'm just putting different colors, starting from the darker red to the orange and some yellow. I kind of like to have as many colors as possible. When painting details, it kind of looks more natural to me, and at the same time kind of has this cartoonish feel, which I like. So yeah, now just doing some highlights with yellow. And now I'm going to paint the stones. I started with a darker gray and then I added more and more light white to the mix until I was happy with variations of the stone colors. And one more thing, most of these I filmed with my GoPro while I had it on my head with a head strap, and it's really it's tricky because that, you know, filming with GoPro, it's action camera, it's cool for outside when you're filming wide angles, because I can't see what my camera is looking at. Sometimes I miss what what I wanted to say is sometimes I miss what I'm actually working on, the specific part. For example, if I'm coloring the bottom part of this house and then my camera films the top one. So yeah, I obviously won't have usable material, but yeah, mistakes happen. And this is how I have created wines. I like this method where I'm using my hot glue, and you just, like I'm doing here, you just do a few layers, you let them dry, and then you go over with another layer, and you get some interesting shapes, especially for, let's say, trees or wines, these types of things. So yeah, now I'm just going to layer all of this, and then once these are dry I can paint over them. And as I have said, it's time to paint this. The good thing is you can paint over this glue, but you need to layer the paint a few times, because the first layer is going to be transparent. But the good thing is once the paint is dry, you can just paint over it, and add as much as color as you wish. So here I'm just adding the darker ones for the base and the shades, and then I will go with the green over it, and then the lighter greens to give it detail. It's fun. And yeah, so you see after few layers, this isn't transparent anymore, it's dark green slash black. Ready, base is ready for the greenish highlights after. And one more crucial thing, as you can notice in the background, is my toilet paper, especially in these times. That's like really useful for your nose or for your, cleaning brushes. And now to paint the roof. This is where my GoPro was really useful, because I could film it well, since it's on the top of the house, so it was closer to my face. And now let me show you, I'm really proud how I came up with this. Probably other people did this already, but so I figured I will just pour the glue on the cardboard and do the shape like this, and then I placed peeled glue in the water so it soaks, because then it's easier to peel off the remains of cardboard. And now I kind of went a bit to the past. This wine is still not colored because I wanted to show you that what I'm going to create with this thingy. So I envision this to be, as a holder next to the staircase. I'm not sure what's the word. I think it's the rail something. I forgot. So yeah, as you can see here, so it's really important to let it soak in the water, because nothing's gonna happen with the cardboard, with the glue, but the cardboard from the glue is going to be easily removed. now let's stick the thing to the staircase, and this is where I chopped my toothpicks. And now just to glue them, because we don't want anybody who's gonna use this staircase to fall aside. They need to have something to hold on, right? And this is my vase. My flowers finally have a home. I'm actually really happy how this turned out. I also hope that you liked this video. I'm sorry that I couldn't show you everything, but I've already explained. Sometimes it's hard to film specific parts because I don't have professional gear, so forgive me. I also wanted to show you one more thing, and that's once it's dark, I can put fake candles inside and create as if somebody actually lives there. I really like this part. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Stay healthy, create, stay alone, but not alone. Luckily we have internet, so it's not that hard. And thanks to everybody who works out there and yeah, can't sit home and chill like us. Bye!